Welcome to All India Bar Examination 15, which was held on 24th of January 2021. Here we are going to present the question paper set A, B, C, D and their answer keys, for which we have to first go allindiabarexamination.com. Once we reach on this website, here we can see that it is mentioned that kindly click here for answer keys and for question paper A, B, C, D set papers. So first, if you have to open the question paper set A, you have to click on this and then you can see the PDF containing all the question papers, all the questions which was held in the question paper A, set A. Now we can do it for set B. Here is set B, set C, here is set C, and then it comes to set D. It was supposed to come on 30th of January 2021. I think it might have been uploaded in the late evening. So that is why we are able to see it only on 31st of January 2021. And when we will click here, kindly click here for the answer key. So it is where we will be able to see all the answer keys of the set A, B, C, D. And same with time we can check it which answer is correct and which answer is wrong. Once we have done with all the entire exercise, then we have been given in objections, if any, are invited up to by next 8 days, that is till 7th of February 5 p.m. after which it won't be entertained. So we have to see if any questions are correct or wrong, or whatever we are thinking that the answers mentioned in the answer keys are wrong. We can file the objections by clicking here by before 7th of February or by 7th of February till 5 p.m. after which it won't be entertained. Here you have to write your name, email, registration ID, registered mobile number, set code like A, B, C, D or whatever. Then answer key number, we have to select it 1 to 100, whatever. Our answer means the answer given by the AIBE and our answer and the remarks, and after that proof attachment, and then we have to do it submit, and that is how we can submit the objection. After filing the objections, we have to wait for another till the time of 7th February, after which the final results might be declared and we are able to see that whether the person is pass or is not able to qualify the exam. Thank you.